Saw shark! Saw shark! Saw shark! Oh my god. Look at the tail! Oh my god, dude! That's over 1,000! What's up guys, welcome back to another double up fishing video. Today we are fishing the East Coast and we are fishing with some giant baits. We're fishing giant amberjack heads, we're fishing giant cow nose, we're fishing red snapper fillets, we're fishing everything, barracuda, jacks. So yeah, we're putting out these baits like 300, 400 yards off the beach. Just finished dropping off 2 cows. And the sun's about to set. Hopefully we catch some big fish.
Ready?
Yeah. Bye.
See him jump, see him jump, see him jump.
Yeah. Damn, he's far out there.
Bro, you saw that air out, right?
Right there. I think it's a lemon. Look at that big boy. Keep it? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Look at that boy. About 8-1.
If it was a garter, that's why.
I mean, he jumped.
Yeah, dude, it aired out.
A lemon jumping, I haven't heard of that.
Like, dude, I've never had a. Dude, it aired out.
Yeah, they're so pretty. Alright. Yeah, he's got his mean head shakes. Big head shakes. Look at those head shakes. This was on the bonita back, the big bonita back. Cut it in half, the tail ends, put it out there. It sat out there for like 15 minutes or so. Scream and drag.
It shook its head.
Oh,
shit.
Oh, there he is. He's on top.
Up on the surface?
Yeah. So you see all the sand he kicked?
Yeah, he went nuts.
That's a lot of, look at all that
Oh, he hit that
sand.
sandbar. He's like, oh, fuck.
And
What
it's
the
shallow.
fuck?
It's shallow as hell too.
Yeah, no, I can wait out there if
Yeah.
I wanted to. It has
That has-
45 pounds of drag
Yeah,
when I
they-
put down on it. I can hammer down just as well as
What are you
like
using, 80?
Just saw him on the surface there. I'm gonna start headlining this thing. Lemon! Saw shark! Saw shark! Saw shark! It's a sawfish! 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 Get the cutters! The cutters! Oh my god, guys, we got a mess. Saw shark! Big saw shark! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! Oh my god. I'm keeping the leader below the thing.
Oh, that is a big
Oh my god. Bro, watch out. Holy shit. Bro, where's the other? Whatever.
That is fucking.
Watch it, watch it,
Watch. He's close, he's close. Oh my god. Look at the tail.
I don't want the white spider whale on her.
You want me to pull it up a little?
Yeah, pull up. Yeah,
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey,
hold on this.
oh my god, dude. That's over 1,000. Watch out. Good. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. She's good.
She good?
Yeah.
He called it too. Like 100 yards down, he goes, dude, it might be a sawfish. And I was like, I think that was a bit close.
That's over 1,000.
I don't know.
700-800, I think.
That body was
Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. That's over 1,000.
I don't want to especially with one that big. The male's definitely around.
I honestly can't tell what it is. I don't know.
Give it any?
It's just some head shakes at the beginning. Now it's just coming in dead weight. Every now and then it resists, but the head never turns. I still got it facing here.